Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be working on the BMW S1000XR Gen 1 2016. The service light, I'm going to show you how to clear it. What you need is a laptop or your mobile device, the HEX GS-911. Now if you want to clear service codes and have full access to the ECU and everything, you can't do that off the phone. So this is why today I am going to be working off my laptop and connecting to the Wi-Fi and clearing it from the bike, and see what else, if anything, has gone on with it. See if there's any hidden codes that have popped up. Located into the back of the bike here, you have the ECU plug. So you just take the cap off. I don't want to lose this, so I'm just putting it to the side. You see that little red tab? You grab your GS911 and you line that red tab up with the bottom of the device, and you slowly twist it in and it's locked. Now you will see a couple of lights that come on, so you just plug it into the device and the laptop. This is where the real stuff happens. So if you go on to www.hexgs911.com and just follow to the downloads link, you'll see it downloads just up here. So you click onto that. And it should open another window there. So, or you know, you could just scroll a little bit if you read through it if you want to, but I just prefer to just click and press next. And then this is where you're going to save it into, so check that's where the program is where you want to save it, and you can either hit browse and put it somewhere else if you really want to. I choose to put it into my desktop because it's just a lot easier to find, as you will see in a future video when I tune my bike. So press install and then next and finish, and it's as easy as that. It comes on there. Just keep pressing like the next and allow on the prompts. And this is now where you basically can register and connect your device and everything. So you just check for updates. Always make sure you check for updates first, and it will do its thing. And you know, device registration you press, and you make sure everything comes up, and open the diagnostics in the app. Just wait for this to load up quickly. And this is the main menu. You're pretty much now inside your vehicle, so you click on the detect vehicle, and I want to look for the service reminder, so that's down the bottom here. So you just quickly click on there and just wait for it to load up and do its thing. And there's service reminder functions, so I'm going to want to click on that, and I want to reset the service reminder, so just click down to this and you'll get this page. At this point you want to add your VIN. This is where you can basically put your VIN onto the GS911. The GS911, when you first get it, will allow you up to 5 different VIN numbers. So you just click on that and you wait. So just here I've just had a little message pop up saying it requires 12.5 volts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep charging the battery, and I am going to plug my optimizer in just to keep it topped up all of the time, because this is what it's asking me to do. Just plug that in there. Make sure it's nice and tight. Right, let's get back to the computer now. So let this load up again. I want to detect the vehicle. Go down to service reminders. Just wait for this to pop up and detect it. I want to reset the service reminder. and here you will see it says reset service and everything. So I just clicked on the reset service. It comes up with sort of like the miles and everything, and that's it. It's all done and good. Let's go over to the bike now, turn it on, and just to see whether the service light has cleared. Yes, it looks like it has, as you can see right there. So yeah, and that's cleared. So it's as easy as that. Now all I've got to do is unplug the GS-911 and tidy everything up. Just quickly before you lot go, can you please hit that like and subscribe button for me? And please do hit those bell notifications so you can see when my next video is coming up. I do have a lot that is coming up, some tours and stuff like that. It's going to be fun. So on this last bit here, I'm just going to put the cap in, and I think we are done. Remember to ride safe, and ta-ta for now.